Tuesday morning. I think it's the 22nd? Oh man, bad. September. And we're at our campsite just outside of Walla, Washington. And this is our little campground. A little sprinkle last night, nothing big. You can kind of see it on the Vespa seat maybe. Here's our tent. Morning, Mary Jo. And there's a creek running there. Really nice. Maybe kept us awake a little. We saw some deer earlier when we came up this road. Here they are having breakfast on our little patch of heaven. Oh, they're eating apples which are falling off this tree over here. And they're actually good apples. I tried one or two. And we got a whole bunch of blackberries too. Nice place.